quick video, looking finally at one of the new-ish Hornby 2MTs, one of my favourite locomotives, and I say finally because its original price a few years back was outrageous as far as I was concerned. Enter TMC recently, the model centre, with their 40% plus off discount sale, and I quickly grabbed the Loco you're looking at now. I wanted to make this video because when mine arrived I noticed something wrong with the Speedo cable and connection. Check out this close-up video. It was clear to me that something was wrong and that leaving it like this would result in the plastic wire soon breaking. Initially I could not see why it was doing it, but then a friend on RMweb reminded me about making sure that the end of the Speedo cable needed to sit exactly over the middle of the wheel axle. Using an SW 2.5 nut spinner, I loosened the crank pin nut and nudged the Speedo crank into place. This did the trick, with the Speedo cable now hardly flexing at all. Get it in the right position, then do up the nut, holding the opposite wheels to keep things in place. Other than this very minor issue, which would seem to be commonplace, there is nothing amiss with this little beauty, and she will feature soon in a full video. Cheers for now.